Are you sad because you have no friends? I'm Addison, and here is your private affirmation session to clarify your attitude and reframe your focus around friendship. These classic quotes are 18 positive affirmations to neutralize anxiety, restore belief in yourself, and increase your listening and communication skills. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. Live so that your friends can defend you but never have to. Arnold H. Glasgow. 17. He who is incapable of feeling strong passions, of being shaken by anger, of living in every sense of the word, will never be a good actor. Sarah Bernhardt. 16. Stubbornness is also determination. It's simply a matter of shifting from won't power to will power. Peter McWilliams. Opinion is the medium between knowledge and ignorance. Plato. Patience is the art of concealing your impatience. Guy Kawasaki. Character is what you are in the dark. American proverb. Men who think that a woman's past love affairs lessen her love for them are usually stupid and weak. Marilyn Monroe. Solitude is the best nurse of wisdom. Lawrence Stern. No human thing is of serious importance. Plato. We were aware of the fact that death walks hand in hand with struggle. Stokely Carmichael. Knowledge rests not upon truth alone, but upon error also. Carl Jung. Can any man or woman choose duties? No more than they can choose their birthplace, or their father or mother. George Eliot. More die in the United States of too much food than of too little. John Kenneth Galbraith. Being a rock star is like being a cult leader, you really have to be in your own religion. Courtney Love. The happy man is not he who seems thus to others, but who seems thus to himself. Marcel Proust. Justice means minding one's own business and not meddling with other men's concerns. Plato. As a general thing, when a woman wears the pants in a family, she has a good right to them. Josh Billings. Life is just a mirror, and what you see out there, you must first see inside yourself. J. Bob Bigelow. I'm just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my Law of Attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day. Are you